Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, was one of the most pivotal figures in India's history. His life is a story of dedication, resilience, and an unyielding commitment to the nation's unity and independence. Born on October 31, 1875, in the small village of Nadiad in Gujarat, Patel rose from humble beginnings to become a towering leader who would shape the destiny of a newly independent India. Patel's early life was marked by hardship and perseverance. Despite being born into a family with limited means, he displayed an exceptional thirst for knowledge and self-improvement. He pursued his education with great determination, eventually enrolling in law studies in London, where he excelled. His success as a lawyer back in India earned him respect and financial stability, yet it was his calling to serve the nation that would define his legacy. Sardar Patel's legal career was distinguished, and he quickly became one of the most respected barristers in Gujarat. However, it wasn't just his skill in law that set him apart, it was his integrity, straightforwardness, and a profound sense of justice. These traits caught the attention of Mahatma Gandhi, who saw in Patel a leader capable of great things. Patel's entry into the Indian freedom movement was inspired by Gandhi's call for non-cooperation with the British Raj. He became an ardent supporter of Gandhi's methods and soon emerged as one of the key leaders in the Indian National Congress. He played a crucial role in organizing peasants in Gujarat during the Kheda and Bardoli satyagrahas, where his leadership earned him the title of Sardar, meaning leader. Perhaps Sardar Patel's most significant contribution to India came after independence in 1947. The newly independent nation was a patchwork of princely states, each with the potential to declare independence or align with Pakistan. As the first Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Home Affairs, Patel was tasked with the monumental challenge of integrating over 560 princely states into the Indian Union. Patel approached this challenge with a blend of diplomacy, firmness, and strategic foresight. Through negotiations, and when necessary, the use of force, he succeeded in convincing or compelling the rulers of these states to accede to India. His efforts were instrumental in creating a unified and sovereign nation, earning him the lasting honor of being the Bismarck of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy is one of unity, integrity, and strength. His leadership during the critical years following India's independence ensured the survival of the nation as a united entity. Patel's vision was clear, a strong, centralized India that could stand on its own in the global arena. Beyond his political achievements, Patel was a man of deep conviction and simplicity. He believed in the power of the people and the importance of unity in diversity. His life continues to inspire leaders and citizens alike, reminding them of the importance of national integration and strong leadership. Despite his public persona as a tough and unyielding leader, Sardar Patel was known for his warm and affectionate nature within his family. He was a devoted husband and father, though his personal life was marked by the early death of his wife, which left him to raise his children with the support of his extended family. His personal sacrifices and commitment to the nation often came at the cost of personal happiness, a testament to his selfless service. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel passed away on December 15, 1950, leaving behind a nation that he had helped mold into a united, independent republic. His death was a profound loss for India, but his legacy as the architect of modern India remains eternal. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was erected in his honor in Gujarat, symbolizing the towering impact he had on the nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's life is a beacon of leadership, integrity, and the relentless pursuit of national unity. His contributions to India's independence and his role in uniting a fragmented country are unparalleled. As we remember Patel, we are reminded of the power of unity, the importance of strong leadership, and the enduring impact of a life dedicated to the service of the nation.